Hi, I'm Jake from Minute Psychology, and in this video I'll be talking about how you can work more productively overall. And I myself am a pretty productive worker and would like to share that with you. But if you're new to the channel, definitely consider subscribing and hitting that bell button for notifications. But other than that, getting right into it, I know personally I've struggled with working productively really in all aspects of my life in the past. Sometimes it's a struggle for me to kind of sit down and work on one thing and finish it, whether it be work or trying to balance that with school and even with YouTube on certain occasions. The first tip that could help you out a lot is planning out your day the night before. And I say to do this because I think it is super important to clearly have written down what you want to do at certain times of the day. And you should do it the night before, I think, for a handful of reasons, but most importantly, just so you could kind of have this plan already in your mind before you go to bed. You should very clearly know what you want to do that next day. I think that helps to getting it done. Number 2 is to set goals and make lists. I think this is very similar to planning out your day, but might be more helpful than just simply making a plan, because with making goals and making lists of what you want to do, one, you could feel better by achieving these goals or accomplishing them through what I call small wins. This could honestly just make you feel better overall and actually push you to be more productive. Number 3 would be to wake up early and get some sleep as well. Waking up early, you are typically more productive in the morning than you are at night. I'm not going to lie, at night I'm usually texting on social media, doing things like playing video games, but in the morning I'm usually more productive. But another thing you're going to want to do as well is try to get some sleep at night, go to bed at an early time, because if you are not sleeping, you're just going to be tired. Sleeping well definitely leads you to being more creative and also more productive. Number 4 is to exercise and eat healthy. I personally jog almost every single day, and I also work out with weights quite a bit as well. And another thing that will help your productivity is eating, because if you're eating healthy, you're going to be tired and you're definitely not going to be in a good mood. Exercising and eating healthy will improve your mood. It will give you more energy without taking in a whole lot of caffeine, and it will also just really overall improve your mental health, which will greatly help productivity. Next is to cut out distractions, and this one is probably pretty obvious, but some very basic things you should definitely not be doing. One is to try to put your cell phone down. Don't do things like browse the web or go on social media. And another thing you might not notice that you're doing is checking useless emails or responding to probably pretty basic texts that you don't need to. I think cutting out distractions is huge, and one thing that helps me is putting on mental blinders. And what I mean by this is I just simply put some headphones on, listen to some calm, relaxing music, and just get to work. That is super important. Number 6 is to not multitask. I know a lot of us out there probably try to multitask and think that it might actually increase our productivity by doing multiple things at once, but in reality, it probably isn't, and it's probably a whole lot better to finish one thing at a time, and it actually is proven to be a whole lot better. There have been numerous studies showing multitasking is not only most likely impossible by humans, but also hurts our brain and depletes our energy. Number 7 would be to give yourself small rewards and also take breaks. This is an important thing to do, to give yourself breaks, because it isn't really meant to be to work all day long, and it can make you extremely tired if you're not taking breaks. And also giving yourself small rewards after accomplishing certain tasks is very important to make yourself feel better and to push yourself to do your goals and just really become more productive. Having small rewards and giving yourself breaks are healthy and needed. But other than that, guys, thanks for watching the video. If you enjoyed, definitely leave a like below. That would be super helpful. And also comment below what you do to be more productive. I want to hear some of your guys' strategies as well. And also, if you're new to the channel, definitely consider subscribing and hitting that bell button for more content. But other than that, guys, thanks for watching.